Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will be present developing a learning number application for children based on Android. Authors of this article, Gulam Asrofi Puntoro, Indah Puji Astuti, Rifki Rahmatika Az-Zahra from Department of Informatic Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Muhammadiyah Ponorogo. And then Wahyudi, Arta Eka Yanti, Uki Suhendar, and Erika Eka Santi from Department of Mathematics Education, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Universitas Muhammadiyah Ponorogo, Indonesia. And the last, Adanaja Anwar Mahardani from Department of Pancasila and Citizenship, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Universitas Muhammadiyah Ponorogo, Indonesia. Introduction: the process of learning to recognize number and counting is one of skill that has been applied to kindergarten level children. This because the children at an early age in the strategic period to recognize the concept of counting in mathematics. After all, middle children have a very high sensitivity to a stimuli they receive. In this case, the role of the teacher is vital to design the learning process so that learning objective can be achieved by the planning carried out. However, in reality, learning of numeracy in early children is stylus, varied, and seems moderneric both in terms of the use of media, method, and learning strategy used in the area of digitalization. Many early children already using smartphone. Teacher creativity in innovating learning method play an essential role in the learning process. In the area of digitalization, many young children are already using smartphone. Any Mujahid states that as many as 72.7% of preschool age children use smartphone this high intensity, and 94% of parents feel that their children are using technology device. In this case, including the use of smartphone to play games without many help from parents to find the list application. This is a phenomenon that cannot be ignored because sharing in feature preferred on smartphone is of children to access many things that are not appropriate of the children age and hard child development. The use of smart mobile device is expanding quickly. These digital gadgets are a new generation of the technology instrument that profits amazing information access and change of creative application even by non-technical use. The majority of top-selling premium educational apps include directed of children. However, does have inductional value as well, determining application in educators and parents who are lacking on those technologies for the anticipant education Yes, the source available to their student or young student and cards to access this application. Considering to literature review, we prove the most rational the self complaint education method actual educational value up to education. Methodology in this research adopt to exciting phases in the workflow methodology, which consists of analysis, design, implementation, and testing. The requirement present a use case. So in figure 1, the children can use this application to learning number and basic counting as to as addition, subtraction, and comparison in the learning menu. In the quiz menu, children can learn while playing by answering questions related to the material present in the learning menu. In the quiz, if the children answer correctly, he will get a score. And if answering is wrong, the score will decrease. Figure 2 show relate between the user and the application in this menu, in this learning menu. This is a figure 2 sequence diagram, user, dashboard, and then structure. This is a figure 3 application dashboard interface design figure, learning menu interface design, quiz menu interface design, and comparison menu quiz interface design. The figure 4, so this display in this application figure 4A, so the application dashboard, the figure 4B, so the basic number menu in learning menu, and the figure 4C, so there's level 3 quiz menu, and the figure 4D, so the level 4 quiz menu. Result and discussion. Testing is carried out by user acceptance testing. Testing were carried out on the menus in the Android-based learning media with a black box testing menu. The menus are testing to whether they are running according to their functionally. Table 1, application function testing. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually result works and description valid. Table 1 shows the most of the menu in the application of learning to count for children have shown valid result. Conclusion, the Android-based Tangting tool, this is namely Android application was built starting from the analyze, design, coding, and testing stage, resulting in more innovative and exciting learning application for learning. This application is learning medium, namely as a means of support of the student learning in addition to books. The test result, so this application functionally can run validly without any bugs. In terms of interface, this application is easy to use and learn. Further application development by adding primary maths material of learning and practice equation to test knowledge after learning. It will also be more interesting if it is equipped with animate image and also based of augmented reality. Other study product different finding. More study will be done in the future. Use of digital learning through games. Application must pass track testing to be eligible for product requiring so that component. This level of technological readiness is level 4 on the scale of 1 to 4. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.